just want to start and say, getting ready for today, I so miss turn and talk, don't you? All those things that we used to take for granted, like being able to say, let's gather on the rug, or off you go. And then they would actually go off. You know, we just assumed before that we had this captive audience and that we could teach and then we could channel our kids to work. It's taken a month. For some of you, it's been 6 weeks. But in places where things are really underway now, I think people have finally, we've figured out how to get those assumptions in place again, sort of to set up school. My colleague has a third grade daughter named Olivia, who goes to one of the Teachers College Reading and Writing Project schools. And so we've had a behind the scene peek at what virtual school looks like, what a typical virtual school day looks like.